Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java polymorphism. So this is very important topic as we can get question from interview and it is a OOPS concept. Okay, so let's get started. Java polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. Like we specified in the earlier chapter, inheritance, let us inherit attribute and method from another class. Polymorphism use those methods to perform different tasks. Okay, this allows us to perform a single action in different ways. Okay, let's go to an example, then you will get understanding. So here we have animal class, that is a parent class, and here we have a child class pig and one more child class dog. Okay, now animal sound. Okay, now it's saying to print the animal makes sound. Okay, now we have pig, so pig sound here we have written. For dog, for sound also we have written here. So like this we have used polymorphism here. Okay, for example, think of a superclass animal that has made method of animal sound. Okay, see, animal sound, animal sound, animal sound. Okay, and here animal and animal we have used this same method in both the class. Okay, subclasses of animal could be pig, cat, dog, bird, animal. They also have their own implementation of animal sound. So we have done it here. Okay, so we will try running this and we're explaining how. This till here you have seen. Okay, now we have main class and main method. Now we have created all the three objects of the class. Okay, but here how to create an object? Animal, my animal, this object name, new animal. But in the child class you have to use animal and then object name, and you pick new dog. Animal will be here, parent will be here. So my animal, have used my animal sound pig and then this. So this will print this one, then this one, this line will print this one, and this line will print this one. So like this it is printed. Okay, so why and when we use inheritance and polymorphism? It is useful for code reusability and reuse attribute and method of an existing class when you create a new class. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know in a comment section. Okay, please do subscribe my channel, like my video and do share. Thank you. Bye bye.